Hi everyone, what's up guys? Welcome back on my channel. So after a very long time here I'm sharing the makeup look on Indian wedding guest makeup. So let's start our makeup with the mist from Good Vibes, and here I'm going to spray it all over my face. Next, for filling my pores and just give it a smooth base, I'm using the Stay Quirky primer, which will definitely give a smooth look to my skin. And the foundation which I am going to apply will spread smoothly. Now here's the turn for the foundation, and for which here I am using the Insight Cosmetics one, and this is the perfect match to my skin, to my color. Just by dabbing with the help of a beauty blender, I will fix it on my face. And guys, it's really very important to blend your base and whatever you are putting on your face, the concealer or whatever the things you are applying on your face, you have to blend it very perfectly. Now for the concealer, here I'm using the Blue Heaven concealer in the shade number 05 Honey, and the review video of this product already went to my channel. If you have not watched, you can watch. Yeah, so after setting my base, here I am going to fill in my eyebrows, and for that here I am going to use the Wet n Wild Ultra Brow Kit, which you can easily find on Purple and on Nykaa. Now guys, here I am going to start my eye makeup. For that here I am going to use the Makeup Revolution palette, and from the nude shades, here I am taking this one for the transition for the base color. So before starting my makeup, here I am putting the transparent tape on the corner of my eyes. Guys, the eye makeup I am going to create in this video will be very simple and subtle. So yeah, just took this nude shade from the palette, and which is I am going to blend to the all over my eye area. Now taking this coral kind of pink, and which I will apply to the eyelid to give it a kind of a pinkish look. So yeah guys, whatever the shade or color you are applying on your eyes, you should blend it very nicely, because if you will leave it as it is on your eyes, it will look so harsh. So definitely it needs a blend. Now for the glitter shade, I have taken this a pink kind of shade, and then I am going to apply a liquid eyeshadow from a Swiss Beauty. And trust me guys, this product is just a bomb.com, because this will give you a very beautiful makeup on your eyes. I just applied a little in the corner of my eyes. To give it a complete look, I just applied the same shade in the lower lash line. So let's come to the kohl, and which is from the Stay Quirky. And guys, all the products details will be mentioned in the description box, so you can go in the description box and check out there. Now here I'm using the NYB eyeliner, and this eyeliner will give you a precise application because it has a very thin brushes in its applicator. So darling, take my hand, you got to understand. And now here I am putting on the fake eyelashes, and for that just I have curled my eyelashes, and now here I am applying the mascara from Insight Cosmetics, which you can find on their websites, and they do not have their own app, so you can purchase it by their websites. And now here I am just contouring my face with Stay Quirky contour stick. Using this SFR Colors contour and bronzing palette, and from which here I'm just bronzing my face.
So darling, take my hand, you've got to understand.
For now, just giving a pink tint on my cheeks. Here I'm using the blush from Sugar Cosmetics. How can a makeup complete without its highlighter? So glow is very important. And now here I'm using the highlighter, which is I think a local brand, and the link of this product I will definitely mention in the description box, so you can go and check out. I just purchased this from Amazon. And guys, seriously, you won't believe that this highlighter is one of the best highlighter I have ever used. And if you want to purchase, you can purchase from the link given in the description box. Also, this is very affordable product. And yeah guys, now it's turn for the lipstick, and which is I'm using from Purple Minis, and the shade number that is 10, My First Sleepover. So guys, we almost have completed our makeup look. Now it's turn for the attire, which will be a pink color ki sari. So this is a cotton sari basically, and here I'm just wearing that and some jewelries. And yeah, for final completing the look, here I will use just a gajra. So first here I'm setting my hair into a bun, parting my hairs into two sections, and then I have just rolled out them with the help of my fingers. After doing this, I will just set my hairs into a bun. So yeah, if you do not have time for getting ready, and you can just use this quick idea. And now here I'm applying the gajra, which I bought from Meesho app.
Got me running circles for your kiss.
A makeup without a bindi is incomplete, so here I just put a bindi to my forehead. Now the look is almost complete, and I have worn the jewelry which I have purchased from Club Factory. And I really miss the shopping from Club Factory, because the Club Factory app was a Chinese app and that is now banned in India. So yeah guys, this was the look which I created, and I wish you all will like the video. And if you have liked this makeup look, so don't forget to give your love by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. Meet you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and take care guys. Bye bye.